think modern day manufacturer facing the three challenge. Number one is the cost, because we can see the very high inflation rate, supply chain diversify problem, meaning that the product cannot sending to the customer on time, cannot sending to the OEM on time. So the cost is very high right now. Number two is the flexibility and the customization from the end customer. This kind of requirement may asking the OEM vendor or the manufacturer that we need a more diversified product. We need a product delivery faster. We need more customized but the volume lower products. It also will make the manufacturer facing a problem that they have to changing their speed, they have changing their layout, even they have changing their product design or the production design to fit in the customer requirement. And the number three is we saw the IT changing very fast right now, but it's very difficult for the manufacturer to pick out or to point out that what is the IT integration, what is the IT solution they really require or they really want to start with. So I think right now modern manufacturer they meet this kind of this challenge, these three challenge, most of them. With this kind of the challenge, I think business have a lot of things to do. Number one is the automation. Why is automation very important? Because automation brings to the link management, which will help the cost issue we just talked about. And the number two is the predictive management. So previously we are talking about preventive management. Now we are talking about predictive or even proactive. What does that mean? It means that we need to using the software, we need to using the solution to cope with the challenge like we want to reducing the downtime, we want to increase the yield rate. Then how do we know that? We need to know the problem before the problem even occur. So that is what we call about the predictive or proactive management. So the number three is about what we call about the incremental implementation, because we know that manufacturer they may not know IT that well. So what we're recommending to our manufacturer friend or partner is usually you don't starting with a very big investment. You can start with a module by module, side by side, even starting some trial run. So you can let the management or let your customer to see that what is the benefit or what is the investment in return. Then you can start to invest in or even duplicate the solution to another site, another factory. By the end, it can helping the manufacturer or the factory become the real industrial 5.0. In that case, we can really achieving the automation, link management, or even a proactive or predictive management. So in this year, Automation Expo 2025, Aries International bring a lot of different products. So we have the first layer is the IoT, the SCADA part, which link with the machine. And the middle layer, the second layer is the MES and the shop floor. And the third layer is the ERP and other management system. So what can these three products link together become the solution? Number one is the MES, the manufacturing execution system, which is the key to the automation or the industry 4.0. And the second one is when MES combined with the ERP, what can they do? They can do a lot of data analysis between the company, enterprise, and the production, even contain with the order, with the cost. So it can helping the customer or helping the manufacturer to really do the analysis about if they're cost driven, if their inventory is accurate, if their material is have a competitiveness. And the number three, what can MES link with the IoT or the SCADA with? Because MES link with IoT SCADA, meaning we can get the data from the machine. So we can really achieving the proactive or the preventive maintenance, because we can see that when the machine have data like this, then what will happen? Maybe the NG will happen, maybe the machine will down, maybe even machine will broke. So we can help the manufacturer reduce the downtime or reduce the NG rate, even when the problem not occur yet. I think Aries Thailand is really focusing on the Thai market. So in Thailand, we have our own local implement team. We have many partners from the IoT SCADA part to the machinery part. So with this kind of the ecosystem we create in Thailand, we hope we can really bring the experience we have in other countries. For example, we can do the paperless 67%. We can also help the customer reduce NG rate 32%. And like we said, supply chain right now is a very big challenge. We can help our customer to reduce the delivery time within 35%. So with this kind of experience, we hope to copy this experience and implement into the Thailand, implement into the Thai manufacturer, helping them to really achieving or facing the challenge we have right now. So if anyone is looking for a solution like this, please visit Aries International in IoT 5 in Automation Expo 2025. See you!